Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix low earpiece volume on iPhone or iPad. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, firstly disable the headphone safety feature on your iPhone. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on sounds and haptics, tap on headphone safety, and then tap to turn this reduce loud sounds off. So after this, go back, and the next solution is disable phone noise cancellation on your iPhone. So for this, open settings, go to accessibility, and then scroll down, and then go to audio and visual. So and then turn this phone noise cancellation off if they enable. So after this, go back, and the next solution is turn on airplane mode and turn off again, turn this off again, and the next solution is turn off Bluetooth and on and off. So after this, restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, tap on power button and volume up at the same time, drag the slider to the right. So open the lock screen again, and the next solution is update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update here. So guys, check for updates. So guys, if you haven't updated your iPhone to the latest iOS version, so simply update your iPhone to the latest next version on your iPhone. So it's checking for update. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix your iPhone issues. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.